Today we are making curry eggplant with chicken and potatoes. In this bowl I have 1 whole chicken cut up and steamed, 3 Chinese eggplant, 3 large potatoes cut up, 3 tomatoes cut up, and in this plate I have 2 tablespoons ground garlic, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, hot peppers, and 1 large onion cut up, salt to taste, dry thyme, you can also use fresh thyme. And in this bowl I have 5 tablespoons garam masala. You can find garam masala in the International Food Store, 1 teaspoon turmeric, and 4 tablespoons curry powder, and then green onions and parsley for garnish. The first thing we'll do is to prepare the chicken. So put your chicken in the pan and add 1 teaspoon salt, mix well and let it cook until the chicken is no longer pink. To prepare the eggplant, cut the head and discard, and cut the eggplant in half lengthwise and then cut into small pieces. This is the size I like to cut the eggplant. Now we are ready to make the paste for the curry. In my bowl I have 5 tablespoons garam masala, 4 tablespoons curry powder, and 1 teaspoon turmeric. To that we'll add 2 tablespoons ground garlic, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, and 1 teaspoon ground hot pepper. You can exclude the hot pepper if you don't like hot pepper. Then we'll add the thyme. Mix it all together and add water to make the paste. Mix well and then add your tomatoes on top. Now we're ready to cook. In my pan I have 3 tablespoons oil. When the oil is hot I add my chopped onion and let it cook for a few seconds. Then I add the paste mixture. Turn it up. Add the salt. Then add the steamed chicken and the chopped eggplants. Mix it all up. After the curry is cooked for a few minutes, add the chopped potato and mix together. Then cover the pan and let it simmer until the eggplant is soft and most of the water is evaporated. Now that the eggplant is soft, we are ready to add the water. Add about 1 1/4 cups of water. Turn the curry and mix well. Then cover, lower your stove and simmer for at least half hour or until the potato and the chicken are cooked. Then add your parsley and green onions. This is your curry eggplant with chicken and potato. Enjoy.